Hey guys, super excited on this particular lesson where we are going to see how we can take this beyond Google Sheets. So in case if you have any proper CRM which is connected inside Make or which has API based integrations available, how we can implement the same logic, the same lead allocation on your CRM. So let's dive in and let's check what can be done. So essentially we have two parts over here. One is a lead master and second is a sales team master. Now lead master is going to something which hold your lead information, right? Now, this can be done inside any CRM. However, in case of this sales team master, since we are applying multiple calculation, multiple formulas, logics here, they should stay on Google Sheet itself. However, what can be done is along with this salesperson name, we can also do the salesperson CRM ID, right? So we can just put the CRM ID over here. And when we are allocating lead to any of these sales guys, we can simply map their CRM ID while allocating lead to them in CRM. So essentially, the entire lead information will go to CRM plus along with this owner name or the lead owner name or his ID mapped, and they will be allocated to them. However, the remaining logic will stay here. So logic about the daily lead count, the monthly lead count, the product allocation, reason allocation, because we need some sort of a database where we can hold this entire data, hold this entire information. So let me show you how this can work. Now, the first module where we're getting leads, so this can be any one of them, so be it Facebook or LinkedIn or WP form or something else. And apart from this logic or this particular module applies search correct salesperson. This will be intact. We are not going to touch this particular one. The only change will happen is here. So you can add a new CRM or maybe something else. So let me just add a module, and here we can go for, let's say for example, Salesforce. So on Salesforce, we can simply do create record. And once we have a connection available of Salesforce and you're using Salesforce, you can simply click create record and then you can map it, the create connection for Salesforce. Let's go with this one, sandbox is fine, click OK. Let's see, I don't have a Salesforce account yet available, but let me try. No, it's a client account, I cannot do that. But yeah, this is the logic, right? Let me just go with another example of Zoho CRM. So here you will have something called create an object, and on the same way how we added things here, like once you add the Salesforce, Zoho CRM, create a lead or create a contact module, then you will see the same field mapping, which is called the first name, last name, email, phone number, reason, and whatever fields you already have inside your CRM. Let me showcase you something what we use in our company. It's called Zoho Begin. It's again Begin CRM from Zoho. Perfect. So here we have contacts, and each of these contacts would have multiple fields. So first name, last name, email, mobile, city, country, and so on, right? A lead source or maybe product interested and so on. So these things can be directly mapped inside here. So let me try this one. Begin. Now Begin has modules available for each of the actions available for each of the modules. So in case you wanted to create companies, contacts or deals and so on. So let's say I wanted to create a contact whenever I get a new lead. So over here I applied this, and in this section I can simply go ahead and map the values coming from here. So first name is here, last name also goes here, title we don't have, email address we have, so let's map email, company we don't have, we have a mobile number, let's add this phone number, and obviously something more, right? So mailing state, mailing country or something else. So let's say I'll say mailing state, and the state can be, I can map reason, there can be a product interested, so obviously I can map the right product according to the CRM settings. Ensure that when you're adding any CRM module over here, the options should match exactly what you are getting in the form. So this data should identically sync with your CRM, the options you already have given to there, and I can simply click OK. So now whatever leads are going to come based on the allocation, they'll just straightforward go to your CRM and they are going to create a record, create a deal, or create a lead or contact, whatever you choose. Now, along with this, how the assignment works. So over here, when we are assigning leads or we are allocating leads inside Google Sheet, we had a column, it's called the salesperson name, right? Same thing has in the CRM as well. So if you go to CRM and if you see any existing lead, let me just open this one, existing, and there is a CRM manager is owner of this particular lead. Now this can be something else also. If you have 10 people in your team, in your sales team, you can just apply or add them, and you can choose them, like who's the owner of this particular lead. So this is how you can add your salesperson over here. Now when we go into make.com scenario, let's check out this one, create contact, and this contact is also asking us to add a salesperson or the owner of this lead, like to whom this should go, right? While we are creating this, so let me see, previous owner or the lead owner. So we can add like this kind of a list you can get from your CRM based upon the settings, which field is that. And I can simply say Anuj Kumar, Abhishek, Varsha, Noor, or someone, let's say Varsha Dikshit, someone who's the owner of this lead. So their name can be mapped right from the owner name itself, which is coming in right here. So this is the salesperson name. I mapped it here, and values are coming from this one. So by default, every lead is allocated to only one person, and this person is getting in here as the owner of this lead. So yeah, this is how you can implement your CRM modules as well. And as I said, like this supports almost all of the CRMs available in market. But still, in case if your CRM is not available, then you can go for that API based integration. And this API integration can be done using a module called HTTP over here. So this API would, you'll have to like just make a request in API. So for example, let's say I'll say HTTP colon s colon this, and maybe there will be something called api.zoho.com, right? And then you will have to have a post method. There may be slash contact and then slash create or something like, and then you can add all the respective values of this particular lead over here. So you can like again depend upon your respective CRM setting, and then you can apply all these things right across. So add all the values, ensure this authentication is done and this API is working. Refer the API documentation of your respective CRM, and then you can easily do it. Otherwise, in case of CRMs, if you click here, add module, I'll just say CRM, you will see all of them. One CRM, Pipedrive, HubSpot, Close, Zoho, even Microsoft 365, Neon CRM, Espo, almost all type of CRM. A long list is available over here. It's like I think more than 200 CRMs are there. So yeah, I hope this part would have helped you to understand how you can implement your own CRM while you are working with this lead allocation mechanism. So thank you very much. Do let me know your questions and comment. I'll see you in the next video.